Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this iSinwheel i11 electric e-scooter. That's a really nice new model with all the features which you like. Really fast, really powerful, really nice, beautiful design. Even with the light underneath, it's a little bit bright now to see, but I hope you can see that here underneath. Really beautiful when you turn on the light. By the way, the light is also very strong. When you turn on the light, also the lights down will be illuminated. It can be folded easily with this flap, and it has this safety latch here, so it's totally secured. You don't have to be worried that it accidentally opens. And what I also like here is that there are barely any wires to see. Means also they are really nicely protected, only a little bit here and here, but apart from that there's almost nothing to see. Then we have the acceleration here, which is disabled of course. In stand mode you have to have a certain speed, but you could disable this. Then we have this strong brake here, but we also have the manual brake here in the back. When you're using the electronic brake, you can see that the light in the back is flashing. It has the inflatable tires, which makes the ride very smooth. Just make sure that they are nicely inflated before you start. And it has this nice stand here. It has soft rubber coating here for a safe stand here on the scooter, and it comes with this really nice large display which is really bright. Unfortunately it's a little bit flickering here in the camera, but in real life it's absolutely solid. There is no flickering, no blinking, no nothing. And it has very large display for the speed, also all the other information like the battery capacity and the Bluetooth connection. That's one of the big plus here, the Bluetooth connection. I'm going to show you the app. There's a free app where you can set a lot of things, but you have already some options here when you're just using this button. There's one button here on the right side which you can use to turn on and off. But you have basic information. With one push you activate the light here in the front, which is really strong. I've already tested this during the night. It nicely illuminates. With two pushes we switch between the normal mode and the sports mode, and with 3 buttons we switch between kilometers and miles per hour. For the rest we are using the app, and as soon as you open the app you have all the information. You don't have to pair by Bluetooth, it will automatically connect, and you have a lot of settings like the units, cruise control, turn on and off. You can even limit the cruise control to a certain speed. Then you can adjust the battery capacity, set the energy recovery level, set different maximum speed for the comfort mode and the sports mode. Here we are in the sports mode, and we can activate the zero start. We have also access to a lock here, turn on and off the light, activate or deactivate the cruise control, and then we have a lot of information, so much information which I've never seen here. It's incredible what we can see, what information, all the temperature, remaining battery capacity, mileage, current voltage, power, everything, even update the firmware and those things. And again, the riding is very comfortable, very soft with the inflatable tires. I would say it's also very stable here, as stable as it gets with an electric scooter. It has also strong climbing power with 350 watts, so you can easily climb overpasses or so. It has also very good electronic brake. You don't have to be worried if there's something in front of you and you have to brake immediately. You can really push down hard. You don't have to fear that it will be too strong. It's strong but not too strong that you will flip over or go into like an unsafe condition or so while riding. It's a very safe brake, I would say. Yeah, I almost forgot to show you one important information. When you want to use the horn, you have to push down these 2 buttons here. You can see that works easily. So let's start with a little bit of riding here. So of course we have to release the stand, very easy, and then we have to accelerate a little bit before we can start pushing this button here, and you can see it starts right away. So here we go down, and you can see we can easily brake, we can even fully brake, but I'll leave it running for a little bit. So here we have some very rough surface, and you can see how the tires are nicely damping, taking the overpass from this side. So now let's go a little bit faster. So that was over 20 miles per hour and still very safe. And what's also really good, we can hear when it goes into cruise control with some other electric scooters, you don't hear any confirmation. Here we get this nice beeping here, and to release the cruise control we either hit the brake or we hit the throttle again. You can see now it stops. Maybe another thing which could be interesting for you is how far we can turn, and I would say it's about the 45 degrees angle. And even if you have to make some turns, you can see it stays nicely stable, absolutely no problem. Yeah, regarding the speed limit, I would say we have maximum of about 15 or 16 miles. I cannot reach, or have never been able to reach 18 miles per hour. You can see that here. And I think there's no way you can upgrade this in the firmware, at least I haven't seen that we can change that in the setting to increase the maximum speed. So here we are after the end of the ride. I'm pretty happy with it. I would say everything is more or less working. There was just something with the cruise control. The cruise control was disabled, so I had to turn it off and on again, and we had it again. Yeah, the high speed is not exactly what I was expecting, but if you are not in for the highest speed, then I think you are still good to go. I'm pretty happy with it. It comes with everything, comes with this free app, and it's really safe to use, very comfortable, so I can give you full recommendation on that. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.